Welcome to another WP XPO tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through what happens when more than one shipping rule matches the same cart, and how Shipping Plugin figures out which cost to charge the customer. This behavior is known as shipping rate calculation modes or methods, and we have 5 of them: sum, highest, lowest, first, last. These might make no sense to you now, but they will soon. I'll also cover some common mistakes to avoid at the end. We'll learn this using WowShipping, a table rate shipping plugin for WooCommerce. It lets you create flexible shipping rates using 30+ conditions, like cart quantity, cart weight, cart total, product category, and more. It also supports 7 popular carrier integrations for live shipping rates. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add Plugin, and search for WowShipping. Click Install Now, then Activate. Once it's active, you'll find WowShipping right under the WooCommerce menu. From there, you can add shipping methods, manage analytics, and configure global settings. First, let's create a shipping method where multiple rules can match. Go to WooCommerce, open WowShipping, and click Add Shipping Method. Give it a name and select your shipping zone. For the rate type, choose Manual Rates and then select Flexible Rate Method. Flexible Rate is where you create condition-based table rate shipping rules. Now, let's set up a simple example to easily understand the calculation modes. Shipping rate calculation modes only matter when more than one rule matches the same cart. Let's imagine a customer has 6 items in the cart, and the cart total is $120. Now we'll create 2 rules. First rule, if the cart quantity is greater than 5, charge $5 for shipping. Second rule, if cart total is greater than $100, charge $3 for shipping. In this situation, both rules match the same cart. The cart has more than 5 items, and the cart total is more than $100. So which cost should the customer pay? $5 or $3 or both? That's exactly what calculation modes decide. Let's go through each one. The first and default mode is sum. Sum means all matching shipping costs are added together. So in our example, one rule gives $5 and another rule gives $3. With sum, the final shipping cost becomes $8. Maybe you charge $5 because the cart has more than 5 items, and $3 because the order weight crosses a certain limit. Both conditions are met, so both charges apply. The next rate calculation logic is highest. It means WowShipping looks at all the matching rules and picks only the highest shipping cost. So in our example, between $5 and $3, the final shipping cost becomes $5. The $3 rule still matches, but it gets ignored because we select the highest mode. You can use it when you only want to charge based on whichever one costs more to get covered for the bigger cost. Lowest is the opposite of highest. It checks all matching rules and uses only the lowest shipping cost. So in our example, between $5 and $3, the final shipping cost becomes $3. This is useful when you want to offer the most affordable rate to your customers, but keep in mind it may not always cover your full shipping cost. Now, let's talk about first. First means WowShipping uses the first matching rule based on the rule order. So if the $5 rule appears first and the $3 rule appears after it, the final shipping cost becomes $5. Even though both rules match, the first one in the list wins. This is where the shipping rule order really matters. In first mode, the position of your rules is not just visual, it controls the final result. So your most important or most specific shipping rule should usually appear higher in the list. So if you have a special rule for fragile products and a general rule for cart quantity, put the fragile rule first. That way, when both rules match, the fragile rule takes over and controls the shipping cost. Last works the opposite way. It uses the last matching rule based on the rule order. So if the $5 rule appears first and the $3 rule appears last, the final shipping cost becomes $3. In last mode, you usually start with a broad general rule and then place more specific rules below it. When both match, the lower one takes effect. For example, you might have a general rule for all orders over $100, and below it, a special rule for accessories. If both match, the accessories rule takes over and controls the final cost. You can think of it this way. First gives priority to the top matching rule, and last gives priority to the bottom one. Both are about order, but the question is, from which direction? Let me quickly cover the most common mistakes. First, when multiple rules match the same cart, the wrong mode can give you an unexpected final cost. Second, using first or last without paying attention to rule order. Position directly controls the final cost. Third, using sum when you only want one rule to apply. It adds every matching rate and can overcharge. And fourth, using lowest without checking your actual shipping cost. It can silently eat your profit. So that's how shipping rate calculation modes work in WowShipping. If you only need basic cost combination logic, sum is available in the free version. And if you need more advanced rule aggregation methods like highest, lowest, first, or last, you can upgrade to the pro version. You'll find the purchase link in the description, along with a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you have any questions about handling multiple matches or choosing the right calculation type, leave them in the comments. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WooCommerce shipping tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.